Check this out. This little device might change the way you store your crypto forever. It's secure, simple, and totally different from Ledger. But does the latest Trezor really live up to the hype? Today, I'm breaking down the top hardware wallets of 2025. The new Trezor Safe 3, Ledger Nano X, Tangem, and a new extra you may not heard of. So if you're serious about protecting your Bitcoin or alts, stay till the end. The safest option may surprise you. Let's start with the newest one that's getting everyone's attention. Trezor's latest model, the Safe 5. It's a big upgrade from the earlier Safe 3, and both now include a secure element chip, meaning stronger protection against physical attacks. The Safe 3 is small, simple, and affordable, perfect for long-term cold storage. But the Safe 5 takes it a step further. A full-color touchscreen for better usability, support for microSD card encryption for extra security, Shamir backup so you can split your seed phrases into parts, tamper-evident secure element, and a more premium aluminum and glass build. Price around £139. Now, if you're on a budget, you can still get the Safe 3 for £69. It's open source, support all major coins, and still does the job. But if you want that touchscreen and extra security, the Safe 5 is worth the upgrade. I've linked both in the description straight from Trezor's official site. Never buy hardware wallet from Amazon. It's not worth the risk. Next, Ledger. Ledger latest model is the Ledger Flex. It's a hybrid wallet that works with both your computer and phone, thanks to USB-C, Bluetooth, and now NFC. Compared to the popular Ledger Nano X, the Flex upgrades your experience in almost every way. A 2.8-inch e-ink Gorilla Glass touchscreen, secure element chip EAL6+, secure touchscreen linked directly to the chip, pin protection, 12 or 24 word seed phrases options, built-in battery that lasts up to 150 transactions, and clear sign-in for safe DeFi and dApps use. You can even use your Ledger Flex as a passkey for two-factor authentication on websites. And Ledger runs its own in-house security lab, Ledger Dungeon, where white hat hackers test devices to uncover vulnerabilities and improve protections. Price-wise, the Flex is around £229, sitting in the middle of Ledger's lineup. Not the cheapest, not the most expensive, but probably the best value overall. Now let's talk about Tangem. If you can microwave a hot pocket, you can use this wallet. Tangem is the easiest wallet to set up. No cables, no buttons, no charging. Just download the app, the Tangem app, tap the card to your phone via NFC, and that's it. Tangem is a beginner-friendly but also secure. Over 3 million sold since 2017. Zero hacks reported. EAL6+ secure element chip. Optional seedless setup. Your private key stays on your card. You can only buy a 2 or 3 card pack. All cards act as one wallet. So if you lose one, you've got backups. It's mobile only but powerful. Buy, sell, swap, and stake crypto in-app. Even sell to fiat and withdraw to your bank. It's waterproof, dustproof, EMP, and X-ray resistant. Price starts at just $46 for a 2-card pack, making Tangem one of the most budget-friendly and portable options. If you want something simple, secure, and portable, Tangem is no-brainer. Now, for the Keystone 3 Pro. This is for advanced users who want a full air-gapped wallet. No Bluetooth, no USB-C, no NFC. You approve transactions by scanning QR codes with the built-in camera. Compared to the earlier models like the Keystone Essential or other air-gapped wallets like Kobo Vaults, air-gapped architecture, 4-inch touchscreen, triple secure element chip for seed phrases and fingerprint data, fingerprint scanner, anti-tamper protection, wipes device if tampered with, store and manage 3 seed phrases, anti-blind sign-in, see exactly what you're approving, 100% open source hardware and software. It strikes a balance between security and usability with advanced protection that still feels smooth. Price around $149. Now, if you're looking for the most secure wallet money can buy, let's talk about the Engrave Zero. This is the Bentley of hardware wallets. It's air-gapped, has a 4-inch touchscreen, a fingerprint scanner, and a monster 1200 mAh battery, built from premium alloy in Belgium. It's IP55 rated, meaning water and dust resistant. Now here's the real kicker. EAL7 certified operating system, highest rating in the industry, multi-layer tamper protection, the perfect key, a 64-character seed split into secure locations, optional 24-word phrases support. Downsides, it only supports about 15 blockchains natively, but you can expand that using MetaMask or Ruby wallets across 112 EVM chains. Price $398, but if security is your top concern, this is the one. So which one's right for you? If you want something basic and affordable, go for Trezor Safe 3 or Tangem. If you want a premium experience and hybrid support for phone and computer, try the Ledger Flex. If you need air gap protection with advanced features, check out the Keystone 3 Pro. And if you want the highest grade security on the market, the Engrave Zero is unmatchable, but it comes at a price. I've linked every official site and any discount I could find, all in the description below. Now, which one is actually the safest? If you're going by highest technical security, that crown goes to Engrave Zero with EAL7 certification and unmatched tamper resistance. If your priority is air-gapped cold storage, then the Keystone 3 Pro is an excellent and affordable option. But if you want a balance of simplicity and security, Tangem might just be the surprising winner, especially for beginners or mobile-first users, because the safest wallet isn't always the most expensive. It's the one you will actually use and trust, and that might just surprise you. If this video helped you figure out which wallet first you need, hit that like button, it really helps support the channel. And if you're still deciding, no worries. I'll be posting full tutorials and hands-on reviews for each wallet very soon. Also, one very important thing, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, stay sovereign, and as always, never leave your crypto on an exchange. I'm Lamia, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.